We are LiteTravel. Last year, we brought the world Qubix, super strong packing cubes with the world's first double compression zipper system. Since then, we've proudly served over 10,000 happy customers and counting. And your feedback helped take the concept of packing cubes to a whole new level. Introducing Qubix 2, super strong double compression packing cubes with the world's first hook and hang system. To begin with, we upgraded the material to ripstop parachute fabric, making your cubes super strong, ultra lightweight, and highly water resistant. If skydivers trusted to keep them in the air at 15,000 feet, I think it's safe to say you can trust it on your travels. Second, we added a handle, an elegant solution with a metal G-hook. But wait, it does so much more. Stop managing your wardrobe from your suitcase and stop wasting time unpacking. With Qubix 2, it's simple and easy. Just hook it, hang it, and have it anywhere you like. Save space and make it easier than ever to get your clothes. Third, we seriously upgraded the toiletry cube. We added a retractable hook, optimized the pocket configuration, and made the material waterproof. We also added a detachable pouch you can hang in the shower. Fourth, we made the laundry bag double the size. Plus, it folds tiny, so you won't know it's there until you need it. Fifth, we added a highly functional electronics cube. Say goodbye to damaged gear and messy cables forever. Now, let's dig into the fundamentals. As standard, Qubix 2 comes with its famous double compression zipper system. Saving you up to 66% luggage space. With reinforced double stitching at the seams and top quality YKK zippers, Qubix 2 gives you the confidence to pack and compress without fear. The folding board helps you pack in a neat and tidy way every time you travel. The antibacterial fabric helps keep your clean clothes dirt and odor free. And the minimalist design adds a touch of class to any set of luggage. Now you can finally pack more. Carry less, and trust your packing cubes are up to the challenge. Your perfect packing solution has finally arrived. Qubix 2.